Hey guys, it's that time of year again. 12 Days of Proko is back and now packed with even more holiday cheer. Starting on Monday, December 9th, I'll be releasing a new video every day for 12 days. On top of that, there will be a discount on all Proko courses, model packs, and bundles. And if you're on our mailing list, you could win some free stuff. These are the discount codes, and they're active now through December 20th. What is happening? Make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes out. You don't want to miss any of these 12 videos. Here's a preview of what's to come. Happy holidays.